Alright, I have finally got the wiring down on my Sunjimmer Jeep. I have my 12 and 6 volt batteries wired together, and they are connected to this relay here, which then runs to this momentary switch, which was off of Little Quad. This will be my turbo button to add the extra 6 volt boost. And this is just my test wiring to make sure everything was working okay. So first we'll start with reverse. And then we'll switch to forward. And then we'll go high speed, which is pretty fast with the 19 tooth gearboxes here. And finally, we will test high speed with a turbo boost. And everything is working great. Now all that's left is to clean up all the wiring, make everything permanent and organized, and then we will be ready to test drive.